Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you're about to witness something that feels like it came straight out of the future. The 2026 GMC Futuristic Luxury Motorhome Concept. A vehicle so advanced, so luxurious, it redefines what it means to travel on wheels. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling piece of modern art where engineering meets imagination. The first thing that grabs your attention is the design. The futuristic GMC motorhome looks like it's gliding even when it's standing still. With sharp aerodynamic curves, seamless LED light bars, and a panoramic glass front that wraps around the cabin, this concept looks like a spaceship designed for Earth. The illuminated GMC badge gives it an unmistakable identity, setting a new standard for luxury RV design. Move closer, and the side profile reveals motorized panels that extend outward, turning this vehicle into a full-sized luxury suite. With a single touch, the living space expands, transforming it into a spacious environment that feels more like a five-star hotel than a motorhome. Step inside and prepare to be amazed. The interior of the 2026 GMC luxury motorhome is built around a minimalist, high-tech design language. The entire space is controlled by voice command, and a holographic dashboard that replaces traditional buttons and screens. Soft ambient lighting, customizable color themes, and adaptive smart glass windows create an atmosphere that adjusts to your mood. From relaxing sunset tones to bright daylight clarity, the living area features a reclining sofa with built-in massagers, a rotating 75-inch 8K OLED display, and a panoramic skylight above. The kitchen is fully automated, complete with a robotic chef arm, induction cooking surface, and a touchscreen refrigerator that can prepare meals from your digital recipe library. In the bedroom, the innovation continues. The queen-sized bed adjusts to your posture, with a zero-gravity sleep mode and built-in soundproof panels. Hidden compartments store your essentials, and with a single tap, the walls can turn opaque for complete privacy. The bathroom takes it even further, featuring a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a self-cleaning system inspired by aerospace technology. Powering this futuristic beast is GMC's next-gen hydrogen-electric hybrid drive system, offering up to 800 miles of range with zero emissions. It's not just powerful, it's silent, efficient, and built for the long road ahead. The 2026 GMC Futuristic Motorhome Concept proves one thing: the future of travel isn't about getting somewhere fast. It's about experiencing every moment in pure luxury. So what do you think? Is this the ultimate dream RV of the future? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more futuristic concept reviews like this one.